Welcome to How to Get Started with Medicare. In this video, we will show you how to enroll in Medicare online. The first thing you want to do is go to the Social Security Administration website at ssa.gov. In the center of your screen, you should see Apply. Click on Sign Up for Medicare. When the screen changes, you will see a box that says Sign Up for Medicare. Click on the blue button that says Apply Online. Next, check the box that says I understand and agree to the above statement and click on Next. After signing into your My Social Security account, applying for retirement Medicare may take between 10 to 30 minutes to complete, depending on your situation. You can save your application as you go, so you can take a break at any time. Click on the button with Start a New Application. You're going to be completing this application on your own, so check the box with I am applying for myself. It will ask if you have a My Social Security account. Check the No box. Then it will ask if you have an address in the United States or U.S. territories. Check the Yes box and then click Next. Now, we need to create an account. We are going to click on the box with Sign in with ID.me. This is a simple and safe way to verify your identity. Enter your mobile phone number. It will text you a link to use the camera of your phone to take a picture of your driver's license or state ID. Click on Continue. It can take up to 10 seconds to check your information for authenticity. On the next screen, you will need to confirm your legal first and last name. Put a check in the appropriate box and click on Continue. This process could take up to 10 seconds to authenticate. Before the system can send you back to the Social Security Administration, you will need to give permission to share your verified identity information. Click on the blue button with Allow. Now, we are ready to apply for benefits. Answer the following 3 questions. Your gender, male or female? Are you blind, or do you have low vision even with glasses or contacts? Yes or no? During the last 14 months, have you been unable to work because of illnesses, injuries, or conditions that have lasted or are expected to last at least 12 months, or can be expected to result in death? Yes or no? Click on Next. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Answer the following questions. Do you live at this address? Daytime phone number? Phone type? What is the best time to call? What is the email address that we can send an acknowledgement to? Please confirm the email address. Language preferred for speaking? Language preferred for reading? Click on Next. Now you need to enter in your place of birth and the state or territory. Answer, are you a U.S. citizen? Type of citizenship? Click on Next. The next question is worded kind of tricky. It reads, do you wish to apply for Medicare only, but not for monthly retirement cash benefits? If you want to apply only for Medicare and not apply to start receiving your Social Security check, you would answer the question with a yes. But if you want to apply for Medicare and also apply to start receiving your Social Security check, then answer the question with a no. Answer the next question, are you already enrolled in Medicare under a Social Security number other than your own? Yes or no. Then click on the Next button. Now you need to save the following information that is displayed on your screen. You can either print this page or write down the re-entry number. We are almost done with the application process. If you have time to complete the process, click on the Next button. If you don't have time to complete this application and you want to save your progress, you can click on the Save and Exit button. When you have time to complete this application, you must use this re-entry number to continue your saved application process. Click on the Next button. The next section will ask if you want to enroll into Medicare Part B. If you do not enroll in Medicare Part B, when you are first eligible and then decide to enroll later, your coverage may not start right away. You may have to pay a lifetime late enrollment penalty. Your penalty will increase the longer you wait. Let's click on the Yes button to enroll. Are you receiving Medicaid, state health insurance? Answer yes or no. Click on the Next button. Are you covered under a group health plan? Answer yes or no. Click on the Next button. If you want to provide any additional information, you can type that in the box. If not, just click on the Next button. Now, you want to review the information that you entered. If there are any errors, this is the opportunity to make corrections. If everything is correct, check the box that says, I agree with the electronic signature agreement above, and click on the Submit Now button. You have now completed the process for applying for Medicare. Write down your confirmation number or click on the View and Print Your Receipt. Click on the Done button. Congratulations! You have completed the process. Coverage generally begins the month after you sign up. In some situations, you can choose to have your coverage start on the first day of any of the 3 following months. What is the next step after signing up for Medicare? Get your Medicare number. Once you have your Medicare number, you can join a Medicare plan or buy a Medigap policy. To get your number, check your My Social Security account at ssa.gov or your Medicare card in the welcome package that will be mailed to you.